Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Bilgit Altaf Hidayat from Class D Engineering Manufacture. My number student ID is 2505123023. And in this video, I will explain an innovation manufacturing technology called robotic welding touched by human expertise. I choose this topic because welding is one of the most essential process in manufacturing, but it is difficult, risk, and depends heavily on skilled works. This technology shows how robot can learn from human welders, combining human intuition with robotic precision. It represents a press step toward smarter and more flexible automation in factories. The technology introduced in the article is a system where robots learn to weld by observing and using human welding skill, instead of programming a robot manually, which is slow, complex, and requires expert engineering. This method captures data from human welders as they perform real welds. The purpose of this technology is to make welding automation faster, smarter, and more adaptable. Human welders naturally adjust to change in material thickness, gaps, and heat, but robots struggle with this variation. By learning directly from human, robot can copy this expert education. This technology is really relevant in industries such as automotive manufacturing, shipbuilding, aerospace, heavy machinery, metal fabrication. In industry that use arc welding or requires consistent, high quality weld and benefit from this innovation. And then the system works by combining three main elements. First, real-time sensing, and then machine learning. Number two, machine learning model, and three, robot execution. And then advantage and limitation is advantage, reduce programming time. The robot learn directly from human welders, eliminating long programming session. Number two, higher welding quality. Higher welding quality, since the robot learns expert behavior, the welds become more consistent and stable. The three, better adaptability. Robots normally struggle with precision, but the system improve adaptability to real-world welding conditioning. And then limitation. I have two limitation. First, large and varied training data is required. The system become less reliable if this training data only includes one type of welder or small set of welding specs. And number two is generalization can be inconsistent. According to the article, the robot sometimes perform well on familiar welds but may struggle with unfamiliar or complex stationary unless the dataset is expanded. And then real world example is described in the article is the robotic system trained using expert human welders on different welding techs. The research tests the robot on multi-type of weld joints. The robot successfully reproduced many expert techniques and achieved stable and high quality welds, showing that human to robot knowledge transfer can reduce error and improve performance. This demonstrates how industry such as automotive heavy equipment manufacturing could use similar system to boost productivity and reduce reliance on manual programming. And then, in conclusion, teaching robot to weld using human expertise is an important innovation that blend human skill with robotic automation. It has the potential to reduce manufacturing time, improve weld quality, and address the short of skilled welder in industry. As factories move towards smarter and more flexible production, this technology could play a major role in the future of manufacturing. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.